Is Injective on the verge of a downturn? INJ price dips as anticipated. Meme coin sponge sets stage for launch. SAM cooling last updated February 20, 2024 at 1849 GMT plus 23 min read. The leading AI-powered DEX project, Injective Protocol, has seen resistance trigger a downtick in price. This article will provide an analysis of INJ's current price trends and look to see whether a newer meme coin sponge represents a more promising investment opportunity at this time. Injective Protocol has been attempting to push up out of consolidation amongst bullish strengthening of network security, which now sees a majority of INJ tokens staked for an alluring 14.7% April. INJ price analysis. As Injective Protocol takes local tumble, is Injective on the verge of a downturn? As price action continues to pressure the resistance level, Injective Protocol is currently trading at a market price of $37.97, representing a 24-hour change of plus 0.93%. The retracement move was triggered by an overhead level of resistance at $39.85, an area which has capstoned INJ price action for over a month since January 17. Indeed, recent weeks have seen INJ price become ensnared by a tight trading channel that has created volatile chop between $29 and $34. However, an emergent supply zone has seen this trading channel feed accumulation by holders, culminating in a vital reclamation of the 20 DMA sat at $34.85 for the past week. Now, with steadfast footing from a lifeline moving average, INJ prices poised to attempt to crack overhead resistance for the first time since a failed test on January 29. Meanwhile, the 200 DMA remains aggressively ascendant in a reflection of INJ's growing momentum on the long time frame, although still below likely lower levels at $20. Shifting our focus to Injective Protocol indicators, the RSI has begun to heat up as price action pushes to the top of the trading channel, now reading at 57.51. This still leaves capacity in the chart for INJ to break out of its month-long range. This view is reinforced by minor bullish divergence on the MACD, which showcases positive upside momentum at 0.52, indicating price action is not fatigued from the upside moves. Overall, INJ price analysis paints a picture of a much-needed retest of upside resistance with the makings of a potential breakout play that could see Injective Protocol push high once more. To the upside, this leaves INJ price with a local target above resistance at $43.55, a possible plus 15.21%. While downside risk could see INJ price plummet down to the supply zone at $33.05, a potential 11.38%. INJ price analysis consequently reveals a short time frame risk-reward ratio of 1.34, a moderately good entry characterized by further upside potential. But while some investors might be put off by the meager gains predicted in INJ price analysis, other astute risk takers are shifting their focus to a potentially big play in Sponge VTWO. Sponge VTWO launch $Sponge VTWO, last chance to buy, poised to outperform INJ price analysis. Sponge VTWO, the latest iteration of the renowned Sponge meme coin, is making waves in the cryptocurrency market. Following the phenomenal success of Sponge VTWO, which peaked at nearly $100 million in market cap and amassed over 13,000 holders, Sponge VTWO arrives with promising innovations and opportunities for investors. How to acquire Sponge VTWO, staking mechanics explained, and P2E integration. Acquiring Sponge VTWO is unique. Stake Sponge VTWO. Buy and stake VTWO tokens via Sponge, BIP, or stake your existing VTWO tokens. Earn more VTWO. The longer and more VTWO tokens you stake, the more VTWO tokens you earn. Read more. Best crypto to invest in 2024. Sponge VTWO introduces play to earn P2E utility, enhancing its ecosystem. Stake your VTWO tokens to earn VTWO, and engage in the upcoming P2E game to earn additional Sponge VTWO tokens. Moreover, this P2E game, a new utility in the Sponge ecosystem, will feature both free and paid versions for enhanced gaming and earning experiences. Unique aspects of Sponge VTWO over INJ price analysis. Exclusive access. Earn Sponge VTWO exclusively through Sponge staking. Bonus rewards. Buying and staking Sponge offers special Sponge VTWO bonuses. Passive earnings. Stake Sponge tokens yield passive rewards starting at a minimum 40% APY. Permanent transition. Staking VTWO tokens will result in their permanent locking, shifting the focus to VTWO post-launch. Sponge VTWO roadmap and future prospects. Sponge V2's roadmap is ambitious, targeting 10,000 holders, Tier 1 CX listings, and a $100 million market cap. The launch stages include the Sponge game's development and the Sponge VTWO claim and listing. Sponge VTWO is not just a sequel to its predecessor. It's a reinvention with a focus on utility and community engagement. The integration of P2E and exclusive staking mechanisms make it a standout project in the meme coin domain. Stay updated on Sponge V2's journey through social channels and witness its growth in the crypto world. Get sponge video here. Follow us on Google News. Disclaimer. Crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital.